Kid Venture Rangers. Let's go!
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gigi's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a Christmas yummy sugary treat. I don't even know what it's called, but it's really good. Let's get started. Okay, Ranger Tat, can you dump that in the bowl? The whole thing.
Whoa, it looks good. Yeah!
Okay, Ranger Tally, can you dump that whole thing in there?
See? Whoa, these ones look good.
Oops, got a few more. Okay, Ranger Tack, we have craisins, which are dried cranberries, and some peanuts. Go ahead and dump the whole thing in. Okay, Ranger Tally, we have some toasted coconut. Dump that in. Can I help you?
It looks good already.
Okay, roll up your sleeves. Roll up your sleeves, okay.
Mine
All right, Ranger Tack, get in there and start moving it around. We'll try to keep it down inside the bowl. Like, you want to get way down there. Do you see that? We want to try to keep all the coconut in there. Tally, do you want to try? Can you get your hands in there?
My hands are sticky.
We kind of need a bigger bowl. We've got our 3 cubes of butter. Ranger Tally, can you dump this sugar inside this pot? Can you get it? Oh, good job.
Can I mix it?
Yeah. Ranger Tack, can you put this? Can you pour that in there?
Carefully.
Carefully pour that in there. Oh, good
So
job.
hot.
Okay, I'm going to start mixing and we're going to bring this to a boil and just cook it for 3 minutes.
Oh, let me get.
Looks like we needed a bigger pan. Okay, we've got our hot gooiness. We don't want to touch this. This is hot stuff. But I'll show you what we're going to do.
Ranger Daddy can't even do this. Only Ranger Gigi does.
Oh, wise guy, eh?
Okay, let's start. I know you guys can't put your hands in this one, so let me just try and mix it up real quick. Does this look good?
Yeah.
Can you imagine what this tastes like? Hey, what do you think, Rangers?
It looks so good.
Can you see it? We're gonna put this in little bags and we're gonna take it to our neighbors. And we're gonna ring the doorbell and run. They won't know who it was. They'll just think that someone dropped them off a Christmas tree. We're gonna put it out on this parchment paper so it can cool down and start sticking together. We're all done. Got some bags here I'm making for the neighbors. Thank you for joining us. And I want you to find a fun recipe that maybe you can make and you can go take around to your neighbors to let them know you were thinking of them at this holiday time of the year. Thanks for joining us. Bye.